Hey guys! Thanks so much for joining into this video. Today I will be showing you how I achieved this Duchess of Cambridge inspired hairstyle. I have always been a big fan of Kate Middleton. I think she's beautiful and I love her hair. So I decided to recreate this updo. It, in my opinion, is very classy, very timeless, and surprisingly it was super simple. So if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, then just keep watching. To achieve this look, I will be using an array of bobby pins, a hair tie, hair clips, a rat tail comb, a brush, a hair donut, and some gem hair accessories. The products that I will be using to achieve this look will be the Paul Mitchell Invisible Wear Orbit Hairspray, Paul Mitchell's Invisible Wear Pump Me Up Texturizing Powder, and the Paul Mitchell Extra Body Finishing Spray. To start, I'm going to take some of this Invisible Wear Pump Me Up Texture Powder and distribute that through the hair. This hair is relatively clean and I needed something to allow the hair to hold onto this style. So I decided to take some of this texture powder and distribute it through the hair. A textured spray would work just as well. Next, I will be creating a side part over her right eye. From there, I will place my index finger behind her left ear and part all the way down from the apex to where my finger is. Then I will clip this out of the way. I will repeat this on the other side, again placing my finger right behind her right ear this time and allowing my comb to meet my finger, clipping this out of the way. Now I am creating a low ponytail at the nape. All I am doing is simply brushing the hair back and securing it with a hair tie. Now I'm spraying the ponytail with some Orbit hairspray, and then I will be taking the hair donut, squishing it, and placing it at the end of the ponytail and rolling all the hair up to the head. From here, I will just be securing this to the hair with bobby pins. Make sure you do a thorough job so that this bun stays in place. Once the bun is securely fastened, I will gently start to fan the hair around the donut, making sure it is completely covered. I will go in with more of my Orbit hairspray to tame any flyaways, and then use more bobby pins to secure the hair around the donut, again making sure that it is completely covered. I like to go in with a little bit more hairspray and my rat tail comb just to comb any flyaways. Now moving on to the side sections. Here I will be doing a 2-strand twist all the way back. So I'm just spraying some more hairspray into this hair, again taming any flyaways and making sure it is all completely combed out and smooth. It's quite simple to achieve a 2-strand twist. Simply split the hair into 2 sections and twist the hair around itself. From there, I pull the hair out a little bit to loosen the twist and simply cross the hair around the bun and pin it into place. Moving on to the second side, I simply spray the hair with more hairspray, comb everything out, section it into 2 equal parts, and twist the hair around itself. Here you can see when I get towards the end, I gently pull the hair out to make it a looser twist, and then again pin that hair around the bun. making sure everything is securely fastened. To finish off this look, I simply add some rhinestone hair accessories and you're all set. Alright, so here's the final look. I love the way it turned out. I love the way the rhinestones follow the twist around the bun. I think this look is so elegant and classy and timeless, and it was surprisingly so simple to create. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you go out and try this look, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.